Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to insert dynamic images using Excel Camera tool. So I'm designing this dashboard and I want to put here a tabular calculation of product subcategories, their revenue and their respective costs. I've done this in a pivot table at the back end. Now, if you look at this layout, I am not sure it's able to fit in this space I have given it, especially when you remove the slices. So I want to do a screenshot, a dynamic image, and insert it in this dashboard so that whatever changes go on in this table would also update in my final dashboard, but it sits as a picture. Now, to do this, we are going to use Excel's Camera tool. This is the icon for Excel's Camera tool. I have added it to my quick access toolbar list. This quick access toolbar, which we call QAT, sits under your ribbon or above it. It contains your most common functions or icons to make it easy to access. So I already have this camera tool. If you don't have it, come to the end of your QAT, drop this arrow, go to more commands, and it brings you here. The default view is popular commands, so change this to all commands. And over here, when you scroll down to the C column, you see the camera. You click add and it comes into the list of quick access toolbar. Now I've already done that, so I don't have to. So when you do that, you click OK, this is available. The next step is to go and select the table or the information you want to capture. So I come to my pivot table. This has been highlighted, the entire area, and then I click on the camera tool. Now it behaves as if you've copied it. This is copied in the clipboard. So the next step is to come to where you want to dump it. You see this plus cursor, and then click and hold and just gently drag it fitting in the dimension you've allowed it. So now I have this space. Okay, you can adjust it as you wish, so to fit this space nicely. You can also edit the picture. Example, I can take off border lines so that it doesn't come with any markers. So now this is my image. Good thing is that if I apply any filter or I make any changes, this updates from source. For more of these videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. Send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit, click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.